Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got the Benks ArmorGo Qi2 power bank here. So as you can see here, 10,000 milliamps guys. So this is a big boy 10,000 milliamp power bank that you can take on the go. It's Qi2, so that's obviously really good as well for all the newer phones doing Qi2. A little bit of some information on the back, so if you want, you can pause there and look at the information. But it's 10,000 milliamps, can go up to 15 watts depending on what phone you have it on. That's how it looks when you reveal it. Aramid fiber, magnetic charging. So it's got N52 magnets. That's gonna make it a lot snappier to a phone or device. So that'll be nice to test. But let's go ahead and slide it out here. And this is how it comes packaged. So here is the device itself. I'm gonna put that to the side. It comes with an instruction manual and then a type A to USB-C charging cable. So that's how it gets charged up, and then the device itself. So it's got a really nice color and look to it. It's called Dawnlight Gold, so looks good, like a bronzy gold color, rose gold depending on what light you hit it in. Got the Benks branding right there. Nice aramid fiber. Got a USB-C charging port there that is good for input and output, so you can charge your device with this or charge the device with that. And then here on the side we got the button there that if I push, let me see if I can remember. Oh, here we go. The little LED indicators are right there. So if I push that, you can see that it lights up. But yeah, let's get my iPhone 16 Pro here. Got the Benks case on here, but we'll slap it on and there it is. And as you can see, it is Qi wirelessly charging or MagSafe charging on the device. But that's how it looks on the actual phone case. So you can see that, you know, obviously if you put it up against the phone, you're going to see that it's going to be a little bit thicker than the actual phone itself. But slapping it on here, the magnet strength is very good. Now, granted, since there's no magnetic kind of connection at the bottom, you're always going to be able to slide it on the bottom. But it does hold very well on the case itself. But I can technically push it if I wanted to. But that's just kind of the norm with these power banks. But you can definitely just slap it on there and then charge your device, and you got 10,000 milliamps, so easily can fully charge my iPhone 16 Pro or other devices. One thing that it does point out quite a bit on the website is if you have a Samsung phone, it is not compatible with their Samsung series of cases, so you cannot put it on, unfortunately, because it's just the placement and all that. It just will not fit like it does on an iPhone case. Now, one thing you can do though is obviously just charge your device with the USB-C charging port and actually just charge it that way if you wanted to actually use this with the Samsung device. So it's just something to think about. It does have optimized heat management, so it is definitely not going to overheat. But Qi2 wireless charging, that's a big thing, especially with, like I said, all the new devices that are out. Yeah, I mean, for, you know, 60 bucks to get a, you know, reputable brand like Benks and have this in the size that it comes in the palm of your hand and get 10,000 milliamps out of it, that's awesome. And I love the reinforced aluminum frame. I just love, I mean, it does feel very premium. So it does feel very good in the hand. I love the aramid fiber. So all in all, guys, cannot complain. So if you're looking for a power bank that's 10,000 milliamps, then here you go. Just remember, if you have a Samsung device, it doesn't play very nice with it. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.